On this video, we will show you how to install Remove Desktop tool. Okay, there are 4 steps. First, you go to this website, then you download at least 2 tools. Either is Rush Dash or DW Service and Ultra Viewer, and then you run and install at least 2 tools. Then you photo the tool page information and send to me by WhatsApp. With this information, I can connect with the computer and provide help. Now I will start the process. First of all, I go to this web page. I copy, I go to a new tab, and then I download DW Service and Ultra Service. You can also download Rush Dash and others. So now I start download DW Service, and then I also download Ultra Viewer Remote Desktop. Ultra Viewer Remote Desktop. Now I'm waiting for the download. After waiting for the download to complete, now my download have completed. So now I open up the folder. Show in folder. I see there I have 2 zip files. First, I start with this Ultra Viewer. I extract the file. I using 7-zip. Extract to his folder, and then I run this. Run this and install. Whatever come out, yes and no, just answer yes, and then you install this one, and then next install. You install this particular Ultra Viewer Remote Control View, and then when the final page show up, you just photo the page and WhatsApp to me. So with this information, I can connect to your computer by using Ultra Viewer. Okay, we're still waiting, just a minute, and then when he's finished, he will show up a page. Okay, launch. So now you have a page of Ultra Viewer along with your ID and your password. You photo this page to me, so with this information I can connect to your computer. Next, with the DW Service, which in here he come out with DW agent. Same, we extract them, extract to his own folder, and then we run and install. I run and install. Now I run it, so it will start install this DW agent to our system. Just click run, next, and then yes, and then it will start installing and open up a session. And with this page information, you just WhatsApp, you photo and WhatsApp to me, so I can connect to your computer and provide help with this page information.